In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your PC to your iPhone. So an example here, on your PC, you can go to iCloud.com or just go and type iCloud, then click on the first link and it will take you to iCloud.com. An example, if it's your first time, you will have to go and click on sign in to sign in into your account and just sign in into it. Make sure it's the same account that you're using on your iPhone and you should be good to go. Once you sign in, you can click on the photos. As you can see, first of all, I have 204 photos. So if I go and click on that, as an example, I'll find here all the photos that I have. So what I'll have to do is simply now upload the photos that I want. How can we do that? Simply, you can go to any folder that you have that has all the photos and select all the photos that you want and upload them. But if you don't know, like an example, how to do that, you can simply click on this icon at the top right corner, upload, and this will open as example. This, you can just go navigate where your photos have. The photos that are accepted is just those ones. So I'm just go and zoom. So just those type of photos. If you have a PNG or something like that, it will not be accepted. So now you can just go and choose all the photos that you want and upload them. So as we said, we have 204 photos. Let me just show you before. So if I go to my phone and click on settings, click on my account, go and click on iCloud, click on photos. As you can see, I have 204 photos. So if I go to my PC and upload them, as you can see, 3 items are uploading. I can go now back to my phone. And as you can see, it's uploaded 1, so 205. The second one will upload right now and it will be 206 and it will keep going. So let me just go and close this example. Now I can click on OK. And let me just go back here and click on it again. And basically here we are, like 207 photos. Now if I go back to my photos application example, and I will find definitely like those pictures, as you can see, added without any problem, as you can see. So all of them added and I should be good to go. Of course, there are all other like methods that you can work with. And yeah, so that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.